Hello guys, so how is it going? If your company has decided to attend any trade shows in 2025 in China, don't be hesitant to contact me regarding your stand design and construction. We have a great team to realize your booth without any problems. Firstly, we have our professional carpenters and laborers. They have been in this business line for almost 20 years. They know exactly how to make your booth. Of course, we make the best design proposals, renderings for your booth. And we can make a lot of options. You can select the best one. And the best one can cater to your company's taste and requirements. And our design department won't be tired to do anything for this part. During the construction, we were strictly follow the rules. We have to do everything with the technical drawings, and everything can be done perfectly. And thirdly, we have the maintenance guys during the showing time. When the show is going on, our guys go there as early as possible to maintain your stand, to clean your stand, to make sure every chair is in the pristine condition, every table is spotless, without any dirt, just completely clean. And during the showing time, if everything goes wrong, and our guys can resolve the problem immediately. Maybe he's just beside your booth, and he's just drinking some water, agua there, he's drinking and he's chilling outside of your booth. He's not far away at all. And we can maintain your booth without any problems. And finally, eventually, if you want us to take care of your exhibits after the fair's completion, and you don't want to handle of this stuff, and we are going to help you handle it, and we can deliver it to your factory in China or even overseas. Okay, guys, in a nutshell, and if you choose YOHO EXPO to be your booth designer and builder, you will have a lot of eases. You don't worry, you don't sweat at all. Everything can be done perfectly. Okay, guys, if your company has a fair in 2025, just approach me without any hesitations, okay? I will see you guys later, everyone. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.